Is blogging dead? Hi everyone, I'm Cecilia Elise Wallin from Inventicity, the channel where we combine inventiveness with felicity. So this video is about the topic, is blogging dead? I'm going to talk about the non-existent death of blogging. My answer is a clear no. Blogging is definitely not dead. And I'm going to explain why. Some people might think that blogging is not as important as it used to be. We have read so much about the increasing importance of video in marketing and for influencers, and also for TikTok and for all social media. But I have realized that blogging is not dead. It is not even dying. It is flourishing more than ever. And I have learned this from my own experience. I have been blogging for decades, but I started more serious a few years ago. I have started 2 blogs, and I only do this as a side project in my spare time, and I don't publish blog posts more than maybe once a month or so. But I get a lot of visitors to my blog, about 100 to 200 on each blog each day, which I think is a lot. Maybe not compared to the big players, but it's much for just being a side project. And I understand why people prefer to read blog posts and texts instead of watching videos. I myself prefer to read texts when I have to learn something fast. If I want to learn something fast, or if I need information about something fast, then I prefer to read, because I can easily distill the most important information in a text just by skimming through the text. And I can also read a blog post much faster from the beginning till the end compared to if I listen to a recording of the same text. So, when people want to learn something fast, I think most people are similar to me. If they need to learn something fast, or if they want to learn something fast, then they prefer to read. They go to Google and they write their search terms into the search box, and then they look through the first search results and start reading. And that's why search engine optimization is so important. Blogging is not just a way to give away great information. Blogging is so important for reaching new customers. If you search engine optimize your blog post, you can gain hundreds of new blog visitors a day. I get a lot of visitors from Pinterest, and that's partly because I have search engine optimized my blog post from Pinterest. And I also get visitors from Google, of course. And search engine optimization is really fun. I look upon it as a game. It is really fun to find out how you can search engine optimize your blog post. And if you have a WordPress blog, I suggest that you use the Yoast plugin. I'm not an affiliate, I just love the Yoast plugin because it helps me a lot with the search engine optimization of my blog posts. So blogging is great for acquiring new customers, and I suggest that you combine, if you have the time, I suggest that you combine blogging with video. So if you have the time, you can write blog posts and then record a video, and then you can embed the video in your blog post. Or even better, what you can do to save some time is to first record a video, and then you upload your video to YouTube and download your transcript, your automatic transcript of your YouTube video from YouTube, and then you edit that transcript and you format it to a great looking blog post. And then you embed the video as well. So if someone finds your blog post, they can choose if they want to read the text or if they want to watch the video. Or you can have a blog post and then you can have a video with complementary information. So blogging is definitely not dead. It is dancing a beautiful dance with video, and blogging will not die. I know for a fact that blogging will stay with us for many, many years, as well as video. Thank you for watching this video about the non-existent death of blogging. You're welcome to write a comment below and to like the video, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!